Welcome to the SIF Agent for DASL Year Rollover Process podcast. I'm Michael Ingalls, a Senior Technical Trainer here at Pearson. Let's get started. Here's the agenda for this session. We'll talk about the New Year Rollover documentation that is available, discuss the New Year Rollover process for the DASL SIF Agent, and then show a demonstration of the New Year Rollover process. We'll finish by looking at support that is available to you. There is a solution available from Data Solutions Group at Pearson on the Customer Support Center website, solution number 299, entitled New Year Rollover Procedures for the SIF Agent for DASL. Another document is the New Year Rollover article, along with the SIF School Year Transition Checklist that you have emailed or received by mail. Both can be found as solution number 188 on the Customer Support Center website. Once you have gathered and reviewed all documentation, you are ready to move forward. Let's discuss the process to complete the New Year Rollover process for the DASL SIF Agent. This is a multi-step process to complete the New Year Rollover process for this agent. First, you will unregister each zone in the agent. Next, you will disable event reporting. After that, you shut down the agent. Most times, the agent is running as a Windows service. If this is the case, go to the Services window and change the service from automatic to manual. This will prevent the agent from starting up if the server is rebooted before you are ready. If you are not running as a Windows service, in other words in standalone mode, shut down the agent and move to the next step. Next, you'll complete the DASL end-of-year processing. This is the final process you do in preparation to start the new school year. Start up the Windows service, change back to automatic, and open up the agent console. If you are not using a Windows service, start up the agent by using the standalone method. Once you restart the agent, you will clear the app event queue, followed by going to the agent settings and change the school year. You will then enable event reporting, with restarting the agent as the last step of the process. You are now ready to work with any of the subscribing SIF agents. Let's look at a demonstration of the process. The first step in the process is to unregister each zone in the agent. To do this, highlight the zone, then go to Zones, Control, Unregister. Confirm the Yes message and repeat this process for each of your zones. Again, that process is highlight the zone, go to Zones, Control, Unregister, and hit the Confirm. I've completed the process for all of my zones and ready to go to the second step in my process. Step is to disable event reporting. This is done by opening up the directory structure to where the DASL SIF Agent's data is located, and you want to open up the agent config file. Once you've opened it up, scroll down until you find something that says property name equals quotation marks agent.db .command timeout quotation marks value equals 600. Hit return. You will then want to place in the following line. Property name equals agent.ops.eventReporter with the value equaling false. This information is also found on your checklist. You will then save this file and you'll go to the next step, which is to shut down the agent. To shut down the agent, again I go to File and scroll down to Shut Down Agent. Confirm by hitting OK. And the next step then is to change the Windows service, if running as a Windows service, from automatic to manual. I've gone ahead and opened up my Services window, found the EduStructure SIF Agent for DASL location, Notice it is already stopped. If I do a right mouse click and go to Properties, I change it from the startup type from automatic to manual, hit Apply, OK, and now I've completed the entire process to shut down the agent, and I'm now prepared to move on to the next step, which is to complete the process for the new year preparations within DASL itself. I've now completed the New Year rollover process within the DASL application and ready now to go through the processes to prepare the agent for the new school year. The first step is to change my Windows services back to automatic. To do this, I open up my services, find the EduStructure SIF agent for DASL, again right mouse click to Properties, change it from manual to automatic, and while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and start the service. Now that the service has started, I can go ahead and open up my DASL SIF agent. Notice that all of the zones now are already registered again. The next step is to clear the app events queue. This is done by going to Tools, Event Viewer, and once within the event viewer, go to Outbound Queue. If there are any items found within the queue, highlight and select all and click Remove. Confirm, and it will delete all outbound queue items. You can go ahead and close the event queue window and move on to the next step. The next step in the process is to change the school year. To do this, you go to File and Agent Settings, then go to School Year under Default Zone Settings. You will change the school year range to the appropriate school year, and once completed, select Apply, and to hit OK will close your window. You will then shut down the agent. Again, this is File, Shut Down Agent, and hit Confirm. This will prepare us for the next step in the process. The last step in the process is to go to the property name agents.ops.eventreporter and re-enable event reporting. You have two options here. You can completely delete this line or change the value of false to true, hit save, and now you are ready to restart the agent for the new school year. If you find that you are completely stuck, there are resources available to you. Contact the Data Solutions Support Group at Pearson. You can also log a case with our support team from our Customer Support Center website at www.pearsondatasolutions.com. You can also call us at 877-790-1261, option 2, or email us support@pearsondatasolutions.com. Thank you for joining me on this podcast. Good luck with your New Year rollover.